JusArt sent me these acrylic markers and I've been so impressed. Probably some of the best acrylic markers that I've had. Some of them, like, you have to pump and prime them. These you do not, and they have a really pretty brush set. Here is some green. It's really opaque. Let's try it pink. I love that pink. So here's what the brush tips look like. Look at that color. Such a nice color, and you got a nice fine tip, or if you push sideways or down a little bit harder, you can have a thicker tip. These work really well. You can shake them. They do like to separate, like you can see them a little bit separated in there, and you can give it a shake and you can see how much you have left in there. These work really, really well. Me and my kids love to do rock painting or painting on terracotta pots for our little plants, and they work really, really well for that. Definitely recommend this set. They come in a ton of different colors, and they're just really, really good, solid, high quality acrylic markers.